Okay, children. So we'll discuss mensuration. Okay, DAV book, DAV math book. Okay. So children, I'm going to third question directly. Third question. Third question. They are saying like this, children. What they are saying is third question. The field is in the form of trapezium. The field is in the form of trapezium. The field is in the form of trapezium. Its parallel sides is twice the other side. If one side is x, the other side is 2x. If the parallel sides are one double of each other, one double of each other. If one side is x, the other side is 2x. And the distance between the parallel sides means height. Distance between the parallel sides means height. Distance between the parallel sides means height. If the area of trapezium is 10,500, the area of trapezium is 10,500. Find the individual sides. Okay, Rishikesh.
Yes, sir. Sir, area is equals to half into h into a plus b. Area is equal 10,500 is equals to half into 10 100 into x plus 2x. Uh, 250 can okay. 210 is equals to 3x. X is equals to 70
X is
meters.
equal to 70 to x is equal to 140.
2x is 140 meters.
One is if 70 means other one is 140 meters. Okay, one is for 70 means the other side is 140. What you will write? Statement. What you will write? The two parallel sides
That
are
the parallel sides of the trapezium are 70 and 140 meters.
meters or centimeters, whatever they give. Next question, fourth one. You see the two parallel sides DC and AB are 12 and 36. The two parallel sides are 12 and 36. One is 12, the other 36 centimeters. 12 and 36 centimeters. Okay, if the distance between them, if non-parallel sides are 15, if non-parallel sides are 15 each, find the area. Raghuram, if
Yes,
non-parallel
sir.
sides are 15 each.
Sir, we could draw a line which is perpendicular to them.
Okay, if this is 12, this is also 12. From 36,
12,
if you remove 12, 12,
24.
24.
24.
24 means here 12, here 12. Can you find this side by Pythagoras theorem?
Yes, sir.
Tell me.
15 whole square is equals to 12 x square plus 12 square, and 225 is equals to x square plus 144. 225 minus 144 is equals to x square is equals to 81. X square is equals to 9 square. Square cancel. X is equals to 9.
9 centimeters is the height
Height
now.
is 9.
9 centimeters is the height. Now find the area of trapezium.
Area of trapezium is equals to half into a plus b into height, um, half into half into
9.
9 into 12 plus 30.
Okay, so half into
12 plus
9
36.
into 48.
Half into 9 into 48. Half 9 into 24 is equals to 216 centimeters square.
Is the area of 216 centimeters square is the area of
Trapezium.
trapezium. Next question.
Trapezium.
The length, breadth, and height of cuboid are 2, 10, 1. See, children, this is cuboid, children. All of you see here. This is cuboid, children. This is cuboid. Okay, length is saying 2 meters 10 centimeters. 2 meters 10 centimeters. And breadth is saying 1 meter 8 centimeters. 1 meter 80 centimeters. And the length, breadth, and height 2, 1. What is the height? What is the height, Rishikesh?
Sir, height is 1 second, sir. What are the- Sir, 10 centimeters, sir.
10
10
centimeters.
meters, sorry.
Huh?
10 meters.
10 meters is the height. Okay. So, what is the area of canvas required to cover this box? Pravalika, area of the canvas required to cover this box. Pravalika, TSA of cuboid. TSA of cuboid. Surya, TSA of cuboid formula. Sujit, TSA of cuboid formula.
2 into LB plus BH plus LH.
Okay. 2 meters 10 centimeters means 210 centimeters. 1 meter 80 centimeters means 180 centimeters. And this is 1000 centimeters. Okay. Now substituting this into this.
2 into 110 no, 210 into 180 plus 180 into 1000 plus 210 into 1000.
How much is that?
So
81 1836 plus 1 000 plus 211 000. Yeah, no, no, how much? So 2 into 21 four zeros, 18 four zeros is over 39 four zeros. 39 1 2 3 4 plus 37,800. Can anyone help me? How much 37,800 means? 800,721,42878. So that is 4 8 2 8 is 62, so the 14 15 5 4 8 0 centimeter square is the area of the cuboid. Means the canvas required to cover this cuboid is this much area. If you want, you can convert it to meter square also, children. Centimeter square to meter square is 100 into 100. Centimeter square to meter square is 100 into 100. This gone, this is gone. 85.56 meter square.
Sir, sir,
Anna,
we might did a wrong, sir. They're saying 9.15 meters.
why Nana? The
Sir,
height you gave correct wrong, huh? Did you give height wrong?
1 second, sir. I'll read out the question once. The length, breadth, and the height of a cubical box are 2 meters 10 centimeters, 1 meter, and 80 centimeters, respectively.
And height?
Height is 80 centimeters, sir.
80, yeah. I took 1000 centimeters.
Sir, 80, sir. They gave 210 centimeters as length, 1 meters as breadth, and 80 centimeters as height, sir.
Okay, leave it, no problem. I took this as 10 meters as length, height and
Okay,
height. That's why it's coming wrong. Procedure is important, okay, no problem.
Okay, sir.
Next, a metallic pipe is 0.7 centimeters thick. Children, see here, a metallic pipe is there like this. A metallic pipe is there, children, like this. See, children, a metallic pipe is there like this. This is 0.7 centimeters thickness is there. A metallic pipe is there, 0.7. Inner radius of the pipe is 3.5 centimeters. Inner radius of the pipe is 3.5 centimeters. Inner radius is 3.5 centimeters and length is 5 decimeters. Length is 5 decimeters. Length is 5. Find the TSA. Find the TSA. TSA of hollow cylinder. Children, TSA of hollow cylinder. Children, TSA of hollow cylinder. How to do, you know, children? TSA of hollow cylinder. I will show you. See here, children. TSA of hollow cylinder means this is cylinder. If you imagine, children, outer CSA, inner CSA, upper ring, down ring. Outer CSA, inner CSA, upper ring, and down ring, children. Outer CSA, inner CSA, upper ring, and down ring, children. Okay. So, children, what is the formula for TSA of hollow cylinder? I told children now only. Anyone?
2 pi into
Outer CSA.
outer CSA plus inner CSA plus area of 2 rings.
Area of 2 rings. Outer CSA formula 2 pi big
2 pi
R
R
H.
H plus 2 pi small
Small
r
r
H.
Height is same. Big radius is outer, small radius is inner.
Inner.
And one ring is pi big R square minus small r square.
minus small r.
Big circle minus small circle. Big circle minus small circle. So 2 circles are there. 2 pi big R square minus small r square. So children, if you take 2 pi common, big R is how much, children? Anyone? Big R? 3.5 plus 0.7.
Sir, 4.2.
4.2.
Into 5 decimeters means
50 meters.
50 centimeters.
0.5 meters. And how to convert meters to centimeters, children? Into 150 centimeters. Plus smaller is how much, children? 3.5 into 50 plus bigger is 4.2 square minus 3.5 whole square. Children, you should concentrate, children. If you don't concentrate, you'll get confusion. Please see here, children. 5 2s are 10, 5 4s are 20, 2 10 plus. Okay, children, 5 5s are 25, 5 3s are 15, 16, 17 plus. Children, a square minus b square, children. A plus b into a minus b. A plus b is 7.8. A minus b is 0.7, children. 7 8s are 56, 7 7s are 49, 54, 5.46, children. 5.46. Can anyone help me in calculation, children? 2 pi into 210 plus 175 is 385 plus 5.46. Can anyone help me calculation? 2
Yes,
pi
sir.
into
The 2 pi into
390.46.
yes, sir. 2 into 22 by
3.14 into 390.46. Can anyone help me? Multiplication of this
sir.
2 into 3.14 into 390.46. Yes, children, can anyone help me?
Sir, I'm saying, sir, 1 second. Sir, 3.14 into how much, sir?
3.14 into 2 into 390.46.
Sir, 2452.08.
2452.08 centimeter square is the area of that hollow cylinder. Outer CSA, inner CSA, upper ring, down ring. Outer CSA, inner CSA, upper ring, down ring. Pravalika, are you there? Pravalika? Pravalika is there? A cylinder is there, children, of CSA 1250. CSA of cylinder is 1250 centimeter square. CSA of cylinder is 1250 meter square. Okay, Suju, are you there? Suju is formed from a rectangular metallic sheet. The cylinder is formed from rectangular metallic sheet. Find the dimensions of the sheet if the length is double its breadth. If breadth is x, length is 2x. Surya, are you there? Surya? Surya, this area of rectangle is converted into cylinder. CSA of cylinder. Can you tell how to convert? Area of rectangle is equal to CSA of cylinder. Can you tell how to do the sum? Area of rectangle?
Area of rectangle.
L into B. CSA of cylinder is 2 pi RH.
2 by r is
So 2x into x is equal to
equal to 2 by r.
so 2 by 7 into radius is how much, children? Acha, 2 pi RH directly they gave no children. How much? 1250 children. So this goes here. X square is equal to 625. X square is equal to 25 square. X is equal to 25 centimeters. If breadth is 25, what is length, Surya?
So length is 25 into 2. So
250 centimeters. Children. Okay, next, Surya, tell one more sum. Water is pouring. Diameter and length of the roller are 84 centimeters. Diameter of the roller is 84 centimeters and length of the roller is 120 centimeters respectively. In how many revolutions can it cover the area of 1584 meters square? So one rotation is equal to anyone? One rotation of cylinder is equal
1
to
CSA.
1 CSA. So Raghuram, can you tell this sum? One rotation is 1 CSA.
Yes,
One
sir.
rotation is 1 CSA.
Yes, sir. 1 rotation is equals to 1 CSA.
1 CSA is 1584.
1584.
How many? No.
Sir,
One rotation is
154
equal
is
to
need to
2 pi RH. 1 CSA is 2 pi RH. So for how many rotations it covered an area of 1584?
1584.
One
Yes.
rotation is 1 CSA. One rotation is 1
Yes.
CSA. One rotation is 1 CSA.
1
children. Okay, so children, cross multiplication. Tell me.
1584 is equals to 2x into 2 pi r h. 1584 is equals to x into 2 into 22 by 7 into 42 into 120
This is centimeters. These both are in centimeters. Convert into meters by 100.
by 100 by
By
100.
100. Okay.
So 7 6 are 42.
Okay.
0 0 cancel.
Okay.
So 2 5s are 10.
X is equal to 1584 into
1584 into 100,000 by 2 into 22 into 6 into 12.
okay. So 11 twos are 11 ones are 11 fours are 11 fours are
144.
12 twos are 144. 6 twos are 2 twos are gone to 500 revolutions.
Yes.
In 500 revolutions, it covers Tell me statement.
1584 meters square.
Again, in 500 revolutions, say.
In 500 revolutions, it will cover 1584 meter square.
Okay, next, Rishikesh, what is pouring into a reservoir at the rate of 160 liters per minute?
Yes, sir.
Water is coming here at the speed of 60 liters per minute. Water is falling at the rate of 60 liters per minute. If the volume of the reservoir is 108 meter cube, volume of reservoir is 108 meter cube. Find the number of hours it will take to fill the reservoir.
Yes, sir. Sir,
60
60
liters are coming
liters of
in.
coming in 1 minute. How many liters?
108 meter
Sorry,
cubes will
180
come in
meter
how many
cube in
minutes?
how many minutes?
You want to convert liters to meter cube or meter cube to liters? Which one?
Sir,
Meter cube to liters you convert. Into 1000 if you do, it's over.
Okay.
Tell.
10,800 is
108,000 liters will take how many
8.
minutes?
Okay.
If
If
60
60
liters are
liters will
taking,
taking 1 minute.
simple cross
One
multiplication.
108,000 into 1 by 60 cancel and 6 1 by 6
1800
1800
minutes. 1800 minutes. How to convert minutes to hours?
by 60.
By 60. Tell me how to do.
0 cancel 30 minutes 30 hours
30 hours it will take to fill the reservoir. 30 hours it will take to fill the
reservoir
30 hours it will take to fill the
reservoir.
Reservoir. Next. Sujit.
Yes, sir.
An iron pipe is 21 meter long. Iron pipe is there, it is 21 meter long. Iron pipe is 21 meter long and its external diameter is 8 centimeters. External diameter is 8 centimeters. If the thickness is 1 centimeter, thickness is 1 centimeter. Here 1 centimeter, here 1 centimeter. Thickness is 1 centimeter. And iron weight of iron is 8 gram per cc. Find the weight of the pipe. You tell me how to find the volume of hollow cylinder. Volume of hollow cylinder.
Volume of
What is the volume of hollow cylinder? Pi h into pi h into big R square minus small r square. What is the volume of hollow cylinder? Pi h into
pi h into r1 and r
big R square minus small r square. Big R square minus small r square.
minus small r square.
Big R is how much? Big R is how much? 4 square. Small r is how much?
Minus
Here in 4, if you remove 1 centimeter, 3.
3 square.
Okay, tell me how to do.
7 and 21 will be
A plus B is 7, A minus B is 1, 7, 7 cancel. 22 1s are 22, 22 2s are 44, 40. 462 meters, 462?
462 meter cube.
No, actually, here, meters I did not convert into centimeters. So 462, 1 meter is called how many centimeters? 100 centimeters.
100 centimeters.
100.
So 46200 cc is there, and 1 cc is equal to 8 grams. 46200 cc is how many grams? Multiply this both. 0 0 16 48 49 4 32 369,600 grams. This many grams. How to convert into kgs? By 1000 if you do. Okay, so 369.6 kgs. 369.6 kgs. What is the volume of hollow cylinder, Suju?
Pi r big
Pi
R
h
square
into big R square minus small r square.
minus small r square.
Pi h into big R square minus small r square. And
Sir,
when is that?
Sir, 4 square minus 3 square is 7, no, sir?
Yeah, that's
16.
what 7 I wrote.
Sir, then beside 1 also.
A plus b is 7, a minus b is 1. A plus b is 7, a minus b is 1. A well is that 20 meters deep. A well is that 20 meters deep. A well is that 20 meters deep and has diameter 7 meters. The earth which is taken out is spread out as a rectangular plot of the whatever soil is taken. This is made into a rectangular plot of 22-meter length and 14-meter breadth, and height we don't know. How to find the height? Pravalika, can you tell? Surya, can you tell?
Sir,
All the sand is taken and made into a platform. How to do the sum?
sir,
Volume of cylinder is equal to volume of cuboid. Okay, mute your audio. Mute. Volume of cylinder. Rishikesh, tell. Volume of cylinder is equal to?
Volume of cuboid.
Okay.
Volume of cylinder is pi r square. H is equal volume of cuboid LBH. 222 into 7 into 7 by 2 into 7 by 2 into 20 is equals to 22 into 14 into H. 7 cancel. Yeah, 7 for 2 that is
5 by 2 is how much?
2.5 centimeters. Meters.
2.5 meters is the height of the rectangular platform. Next, Raghuram.
Yes, sir.
Volume of cylinder is 448. Volume of cylinder is 448 pi cc. Okay, and height is 7 centimeters. Okay, and height is 7 centimeters. Find the LSA and TSA.
Yes, sir. Yeah, sir. First, we need to elaborate the 448 into pi 20.
Hmm.
448 into pi is equals to pi r square h. Pi into r square into h. Pi cancel. 448 is equals to r square is equal to 448 by 7. R square is equals to 64. R square is equals to h square cancel. R is equals to 8.
Now, what is the CSA of cylinder?
CSA of cylinder is equals to 2 pi r h. CSA is equals to 2 into 22 by 7 into 8 into 8 into 7, 44 into 8, 352 centimeter square is equal to
TSA of
TSA
cylinder?
2 pi r into r plus h.
TSA of cylinder? 2 pi r into r plus
R
h. Yeah, come on.
is equal to 2 into 22 by 7 into 8 into 8 plus 7. 2 into 22 by 7 into 8 into 15. 2 into 22 by 3.14 into 15 into 8. 30 into 3.
30 into 8. 3.14 into 30 is 3 fours.
31.4.
31.4 into 3. 3 fours are 12. 3 ones are 3. 94.2 into 8. 753.6 cc centimeter square is the TSA. What is the TSA of cylinder, children? 2 pi r into r plus h. What is the TSA of cylinder? 2 pi r into r plus h. What is the CSA? 2 pi rh. What is the CSA? 2 pi rh. And what is the volume of cuboid? LBH. What is the volume of cuboid? LBH. Like this, you have to do the sums, children. These are the sums from DAV Max book, children, in surface areas and volumes.